High five. Hi, I'm Sebastian, and I'm an illustrator.
My name is Noah, and I'm 10, and I'm going to go in 5th grade.
My name is Joshua. I'm 8 years old, and I'm in 2nd grade.
What's your name?
Aisha, and I'm
5 years old. We're gonna do a challenge on drawing. So I have a story for you. This is a story about Max. Max is a cat. One day he goes to a park and he finds a very beautiful tree. So he decides to climb up this tree and he's very excited. He goes up the tree and then he gets stuck. And hopefully there were some firemen around. So they came and they could rescue him and they spent the rest of the day together and they had a lot of fun. It's good. That's pretty much my story. Yeah, good job.
My story is 2 elves go in the forest to go hunt some deer.
Yeah.
And then, after a while, they find one weird-looking deer. It's kind of green with some orange dots on it. And after a while, it just disappears, and they find a hole under a cave. And when they go in that cave, there's the whole entire family of a green one of the same kind of deer, except that one is bigger and one is smaller.
Ta-da. That's my drawing.
Okay.
What do you think?
I would put in some more rocks because they took out lots of rocks on the deers. So I would put in more rocks a little bit.
You want
on
to do
the
some
way.
rocks?
Okay.
Show me what you would have done. Nice. I think we're done.
Yeah, that's good.
Looks good to me.
Yeah.
Great. I have a story for you, Olivia, okay? I'm gonna tell you the story and I want you to draw it the best you can. So, this is a story about a giraffe and her friends. She lives in a very big house and she loves to cook. One day she cooks a big plate with lots of spaghettis and she eats them all and she's very full and she's very happy. It's perfect. So I have a story for you. It's a story about a bear who lives in a forest next to a lake. This bear has a friend. His best friend is a big brown rabbit, and they like to swim in the lake and eat chocolate. So that's the lake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And maybe you can do some trees or some mountains. Maybe mountains is better. It looks like my story. They like chocolate. So maybe the rabbit has some chocolate in his hand. Maybe you could color. Let's just color the bear. I'll let you color the bear and I'll color the rabbit. Okay, let's go real fast. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Good drawing. Great.